Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Both Dil Se, and here I am your host, anchor and your teacher, and I hope that you are learning absolute hilarious thing in my channel. Look, why I'm making this of content just because that my audience get a fluent in English. Look, I really want that you can speak a fluent English and you can step out this matrix. Okay? Yes, this world is a full of metrics. I am really want that as your teacher, as your anchor, I really want that you just step out of this matrix, because otherwise, and you can just follow your dream, your passion, and everything, whatever you want, just follow, just always get it. Otherwise you can easily see that how is difficult, how are hard to survive in this world. I'm telling you, now you think that it can be rude, it can be lie, it can be, but look, I'm just telling you, just think that I can assure that my audience can be a fluent English speaker. Okay, this is exactly I want. And if you have just seen my dozen of video which I made for my audience, then you can easily see that I have talked about any topics. And here, look, I will make this content until you want success, and until I want, because it's really, look, if you have just look, always I'm a teacher, but I'm telling you one thing, always watch every day official Ravish Kumar channel. Okay, always every day. And now last episode, what they told us, they just told us that now AI is future. Elon Musk, if you have seen that video, Tesla is coming in India. Look how fastly is our country, is this world growing. Tesla is coming. There are 6 or 7 Tesla office center opened in Mumbai, Delhi, in everywhere. Now technology is coming everywhere. Look at the China, look at the America, look at the Russia. Technology, I mean everywhere. So now if you really want to, and there are a lot of rumors that AI will eat the job, AI will replace the human. Look, this kind of humor I have had over the 20 years. Okay, over the 20 years I am hearing this kind of rumors, and personally I'm telling you, yes, it look, technology is always right. You can't deny. Look, without technology you can't survive. Technology is good, technology is truth, technology have to happen. I'm just making of this content just in an Android phone, I'm uploading in a YouTube, I'm using in PC. These are the technology, this is the truth. If you will deny the fact that technology you shouldn't adopt, I'm telling you, you will in a big mess. Okay, so always assure that you have to adopt this kind of thing. You really have to adopt the technology. You really have to adopt technology. Otherwise you will never succeed in your life. Look, people who are not using technology just sit there, just, you can't, you know very well that what I want to say. People who always do rubbish talk on the half hours phone, in phone. I mean whole life they are disgusting. Whole life, I mean they create a very potty circle. Potty, you know potty circle? Yes, this they are a two kind of circle. You will make your life a very great, very good, very healthy environment. Either you gonna make a potty circle. So people who just talk in a whole day, 2 hours, 3 hours. Look at their life. Look at their life. Just sit there. Just, I mean, you can't watch their face. This kind of I mean, I really don't want to discuss this kind of topic. But if you really want to change your life, you just take the life over your hand. No one will help you. No one gonna survive you. Only you can help yourself. Okay. So yes, come on. Now we are just making a sentence. Draw the long bow. Draw the long bow. It's about, yes, exactly. I'm making I'm trying that I can make a full of paragraph just because my audience get a fluent, just because my audience get a subconscious. That's why I'm telling. Here are some sentence and there are some meaning in Hindi. Okay, so draw the long bow. It's about you are building a long story. You are building a long essay. Look, these are the old story. Obviously, either is true or not. I mean. Fox and grapes, thirsty crow, a lion and a rat, a crocodile. I mean, there are lots of story. I think you heard enough in your life. Who made this? I'm sure a human being. I'm sure a human being made this kind of story. So if you have just read that all the story, then you can easily find that. Now look, you have to practice daily yourself at least 15-20 minutes. Give yourself, then you're gonna see magic. One day you're gonna be fluent like this. English is like a Hindi. English is like a Hindi. It's not difficult to speak in English. It's very easy to conversation in English. And look, you know very well it's very hard truth, and you have to adopt it. Without English, you can't even survive in a small town. If you just visit the Kerala, Bangalore, you see, you really find out where you are staying, where you are exist. Okay, so just speaking, just give at least 15 and 20 minutes daily. Then you, one day after 1 year, I'm telling you, in a 6 month you're gonna see result. Okay, you're gonna be fluent. Don't worry. Drone battle. It's about that. Now it's in your hand. Now it's now you tell me what you should do. Now it's about hand on hand. Look, there a time. Look, I am a huge cricket lover. Okay, I mean, you can't even imagine when I was child what kind of craze I have in mind in cricket. Still also, and you will see one day that how I love cricket. Okay, but in a childhood, I mean, you can't even imagine Australia. I mean, what kind of aura that team was. I mean, if you just seen 90s, 99 to 2011 Australia team. I mean, even 2015. I'm telling you. I mean, that team was a brutal winner, brutal fast bowler, brutal batsman. What kind of? I mean, winning their habit. I mean, what kind of charisma? Ricky Ponting, Michael Bevan. I mean, Adam Gilchrist. What kind of aura? I mean, I mean, they can look. They can do anything. I mean, what kind of pace battery? I mean, Brett Lee, Shane Warne, Jason Gillespie. What kind of pace battery? What kind of attack they have? Glenn McGrath. I don't think so. Any world in a whole world can compete Glenn McGrath. So the aura, what the passion about winning, passion about you can't, you will defeat anyone. You will defeat anyone. Every team always I have seen that struggle to them. Every team. So what kind of that aura? You know that aura. How a man build? Man build always a aura. These, if you have just seen in our Indian legend, I mean, there are thousands of Indian legend. What kind of Amrish Puri, Sunny Deol, what they are? They are aura. Ajay Devgan, Salman Khan, they are aura. Become a aura. So always try to become a aura. Okay. I will discuss this topic soon or later, but you really gonna enjoy it. Okay. Drop in the ocean. Yes, it's about that. Look, knowledge is like an ocean. I'm telling you, knowledge is like a deep diving ocean. Can you tell me how deep is ocean? No, you can't. No one can't. No one can tell that how deep is ocean. It's like so knowledge is like ocean. You never can say that you know enough. Now you don't have to know anything, don't have to do to you know enough. No. Look at guys, I'm 30 years, okay? I have seen 30 years of my life, and I'm telling you, knowledge is like an ocean. Yeah, I mean, if you just live in this world thousands of years, then you can't say that you had enough knowledge. So this is how the ocean, this is how the knowledge. So always be like ocean, always like a thirsty, always like a thirsty, always live like a thirsty. Just always live like a thirsty, because knowledge is an ocean. And as much as you deep in diving in ocean, you will get enjoy in your life. You don't need any environment. You can create yourself. You can, and only you can create yourself. This is the hard truth. Only you can create yourself. Okay? Ducks and drakes. It's about you are wasting your money. You are wasting your money and time, and it's not a good thing. You are wasting the most precious thing in money. Look, these all are the fundamental talks that we do, that money can't buy happiness. Money is not everything. Yeah, the relationship is everything. Look, these all are the manipulative, and these all are the manipulative person. Okay, never listen to them. I'm telling you 2 or 3 things avoid in their life. First, money can't buy happiness. Look, whoever the person, if you are listening to their talking, just avoid him. Get out. Money can't give you a good life. I mean, this kind of perception. I mean, look, the society build. I mean, look, this society. If you just trap this society illusion, you will gonna be mental soon. Okay, you will gonna be mental soon. So always keep avoiding to that all kind of this mental person. You will get happier with yourself. Okay, people who are talk this kind of rubbish thing, stay away from them. Strictly I'm saying, stay away from them. That's courage. So it's about that. I mean, you had a very huge amount of alcohol. And now you are bullying yourself. It's not a good habit. So you look. I do everything, and I did everything, and I will do everything in my life. I mean, my whole life is a whole journey. You can't even imagine life, how I am feel each and every second, because my life is a full of journey and I'm enjoying it. I mean, you can't even imagine. Since I birth, I'm enjoying this life journey. Still I'm enjoying, and now I'm telling you, after 10 years I will enjoy this journey in a fulfilled way. Okay, so yes, I'm telling you, if it's not a very good thing that consumption alcohol, and I won't support it. And people who are consumption alcohol, and after consumption they are bullying to someone, bullying to everyone. So it's a very bad habit. Everyone should improve this habit. So tell me in a comment box and comment section, and tell me your opinion that what I should more and more video about it. And if you are just learning enough of knowledge of my channel, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, so I can make a more content you. Look, if you just like, share and subscribe my channel, of course it will boost me, it will motivate me, so I can make a more content for you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.